Since I came back from the Coimbatore track ride, haven't had a chance to clean it. I've gotten so addicted to track riding that I'm exploring options to upgrade my bike. That's a loud exhaust here. You would know in 2-3 days or in the next video if I'm taking that bike. All set for the movie?
Yes.
She don't know the movie name.
Surprise. It's like a decent traffic on the road around 4:30 in the evening. That's because today is Ganesh Visarjan or Ganesh Nimajanam Day. And in case you're wondering why I'm in this attire, I'm heading out to go to a gym. And I need to be pretty quick because I need to be home by 5:30 so that I can go to a movie which is scheduled at 7. And the movie is Brahmastra. Not sure, today's the release day, not sure about the reviews and all, but let me see it the first day because they have put a lot of effort into it. Irrespective of the outcome of the movie, some movies you want to see it on the first day. This is one, and I'm a big Ranbir Kapoor fan, so always would love to see his movies. This is the first week since I came back from the Italy trip that I'm going to the gym, and first week where I went at least 3 days, so want to get 4 days into it. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Wednesday I want to play badminton, but that didn't happen. And once you miss a routine, it's so hard to get back, but all you need is to just step out and do it, irrespective of 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 hour. If you're procrastinating or delaying, postponing things, just stop doing it. Do it for even few minutes and slowly you'll get back to the routine. At least that's what I try to do. Anyway, time to hit the gym and get the day going, man. It's been a lazy Friday, but now things have picked up big time. Uh-oh. One day I want to go regular to the gym. It's closed because of the Ganesh Nimajanam. Chalo, nothing else to do. I can walk in the colony, but that's not like a great workout. So we'll see, we'll get something else done at home. Since I came back from the Coimbatore track ride, haven't had a chance to clean it because it's been raining. I mean, it's keeping it decently clean, but you see the dirt here, all these bug marks. Man, that's a lot of dirt. This bike needs a deep clean here. I've gotten so addicted to track riding that I'm exploring options to upgrade my bike. 850 loan is done. 1100 has still another 1.5 year or 20 months of a loan left. Once a bug hits you, you start exploring quite a lot of options and things, right? So I started exploring if there are any nice, good deals on super sports. And I came across this bike that I had a chance to test ride last week. That's a loud exhaust, need to be changed if I'm taking this. Let me go this route. I think the riding posture is not that aggressive, like maybe 10-20% more than mine, that's it. Need to get used to the clutch. That sound, dude. I think I would need the stock exhaust. This is not livable at all for my liking. Gym closed. All set for the movie?
Yes.
She don't know the movie name.
Surprise! Whenever it's raining and cloudy like today, this is the most favorite place for me because you can have a nice view of the clouds, enjoy the nature a bit. Thanks to my mom, all the flowers and the gardening here is lovely. Anyway, did you enjoy that bike ride? I know it was kind of short, but in that short few minutes, I thoroughly enjoyed the bike. It sounded a bit too loud for the streets, but it would be amazing on the track because that would increase the performance by at least 3 to 4 horsepower, if I'm not wrong, because that's a free-flowing exhaust. After the ride, I was kind of tempted to just say yes to him, but then I was trying to understand the issues of MV Agusta sales and service network here in India, especially Hyderabad. There's no showroom. MV Agusta doesn't have a presence in India. They have an authorized nearest service center in Delhi through a third party service provider, but nothing is official. So that's a big risk if you're going with a second hand MV which is out of warranty. Anyway, you would know in 2-3 days or in the next video if I'm taking that bike. Most probably not. I want your guys' opinion in terms of what I should do with track riding. Should I just buy a second hand RC390, improve my skill sets for 1-2 years and then upgrade to a bigger bike, or just get the bigger bike now because I'm used to that higher capacity, higher power bikes, or just rent bikes at the tracks, wait till 1-2 years. I doubt that would happen because it's too tempting to just get the best out there and ride it on a track. Ideally, the best case scenario, let's say I have a super sport parked in Delhi from September to Feb and I ride it there. When I'm back here, I get the bike and then ride it to coffee shops here. That would be really amazing, right? But it sounds very expensive. Anyway, talking about epics expensive, it's 5:30 and Apple pre-orders are gonna open up for the iPhone 14 and 14 Pro. I need a phone because my current 12, this battery is dying soon. I hardly get like 10 hours of a battery in a day, so I charge it at least twice in a day and that's not comfortable, and it's almost 2 years old, so I would like to ideally change it, but not ordering from India because it's very expensive. It's almost 40-50,000 more than what you can get in US or some other places, but in US it's only eSIM, there is no physical SIM card, so figuring where to get it from. But it's so tempting because the pre-orders are open and I wanted to just buy and get it at the earliest. I stood in line for I think iPhone 5 if I remember, back in Canada. That itch of buying the phone when it first releases is always there. Anyway, enough talk about purchasing new stuff here. It not only feels expensive, it also sounds expensive. And as you saw, my family's down there, so better get going and head to the movie. My mom's out of station, so she's not joining us. It's just me, my wife, niece and sister. So we'll catch you guys in 2-3 hours and give you an update on Brahmastra, how it feels. A neutral review, nothing like others are giving. So who is excited for Brahmastra?
Me!
I am not.
Huh?
Me!
Okay, why?
Because I like the movie which is like have some Indian diamonds. I love those movies because it's a little bit fun
Okay.
and not that scary.
Let's hope it is fun. I haven't seen the reviews. I don't want to see the reviews. She is not having high expectations. She didn't like the trailer.
I'm coming for Amitabh Bachchan and Ranbir Kapoor.
Okay, we are going for Shah Rukh Khan also.
I want to sit here.
So Aradhya ni car lo వదిలేస్తాం కదా. We are leaving her inside
Kids
the
not
car.
allowed
Kids not allowed movie idi.
Yeah.
But I'll still sneak in.
You'll still sneak in, huh? How?
I'll just say I'm a teenager.
Chalo. Time for some family time with a family movie.
Family movie, huh?
కాదా ఫ్యామిలీ మూవీ అంటే నీ అర్థం ఏంటి?
But Amama's not
Family movie.
అమ్మమ్మ
continues
is
like
enjoying with her
comedy.
sisters Aradhya.
Yeah.
She's in our hometown.
We'll call Amma, okay? We'll see if Mama calls whether she'll pick or not. Ani.
Obviously,
She'll pick. Kada?
Obviously, younger son కాల్ చేస్తే పిక్ చేస్తారు. That's always there. Elder daughter, elder son చేస్తే ఎవరు చేయరు.
నేను కాల్ చేసినా పిక్ చేస్తారా ఆంటీ?
నువ్వు అంటే ఇంకా భయం వేస్తుంది.
భయం అంట.
ఇల్లు ఏదో అయిపోయింది
Your
అనుకుంటారు.
subscribers might think అమ్మా నేనేదో రాజరంపలు పెట్టేస్తున్నా.
రాచి కాదు, ఇల్లుని ఏమైనా చేసావు అనుకుంటారు.
Oh God.
See, even Aradhya is laughing. Chalo, we'll give you
ఏంటి? ఏమన్నావు ఆరాధ్య? What did you say just now?
Mama and Atta did both hard work.
ఫస్ట్ మా అమ్మ అంది, ఇప్పుడు మా అమ్మ అండ్ అత్త అంట. ఇప్పుడు పొలిటీషియన్ అవుతావు నువ్వు.
सर्वशक्तिशाली सारे अस्त्रों का देवता ब्रह्मास्त्र.
How's the movie?
Not that good.
Don't ask me.
Abba, Aradhya, you.
It was like so much scary, not that fun.
Okay.
I mean, like at the beginning, it was okay. It was more cheery in the beginning, but after then the ashrams came, so that made it very scary.
నీకు
What's that? Ashram.
అస్త్రం లేదు.
Astram, okay. Oh God, don't ask me.
ఓకే, నీకు హర్ణ?
Last theory I didn't understand.
But cinema, I'm asking, I'm not. Don't reveal anything. Just tell if the movie is good or bad.
50-50.
Average. Niku?
For me, 2 out of 10.
You slept in Avengers movie, so I shouldn't ask you a feedback for
I
Super.
actually had taken a couple of naps even
Yeah,
in
so
the first half. Not
you
in the
don't
second half.
like these kind of movies to begin with. For me, I thought it was decent. It is worth one watch, like maybe 6 out of 10. Nothing great about it. I mean, obviously the graphics and all were good. But on a whole, I thought it is not as bad as people said. It is, I mean, my expectations were pretty low.
I expected it to have some subtitles.
Okay. What are they?
I didn't understand anything.
For you, it's only graphics. So I would say watch it if you are like neutral. If you are like a fan, you'd anyway watch. If you are already going by online reviews, no point watching it. You won't like it. Chalo, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And in case you're watching this night time, have a good night and take care. And see you guys in the next video because we have something interesting coming tomorrow itself. But you need to follow me on Instagram to know what that is.